this way. You coming? Don't be late to breakfast. Don't be late to breakfast. It feels cool out here right now, but it's going to be in the upper 80s today. But right now it feels almost chilly. Everybody doing good. How's the marked man this morning? There was a little fuss on the front porch in the middle of the night. Well, maybe at the bottom of the steps, and I had to go out and separate. Good morning. You gonna take care of my plants?
Yeah. You know, it's recovered pretty good from the deer.
The deer, yeah. Dawn turned it around. The back side of the plant still had a few flowers.
Yeah, but anyway. But I don't know, with all this rain, they look like they could use a little water this morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So my new sneakers came. I think I'm going to try to put them on and see how they feel while I'm driving this morning. I wouldn't normally do that. I'd normally have my Crocs on. And yeah, Johnny's got him a good lunch for today. And we're off. Good morning, Ruby. Definitely looking like it's going to be a pretty day. It's 72 out there right now. We've made good time downtown. Well, he's got 5 minutes to hustle to class. They're trying to find a better room for the morning AP Stats math class. And they thought they had found a room at Pennock, the math and science building, but alas, it's not actually available. Bummer. So they're back to MLK this morning in a room that's not really designed for test taking and lectures and note taking and stuff. It has chairs, but they're like attached to the wall. It's different. It's a normal Tuesday for me today. I will be going to the chiropractor and the Guardian Angel Apex and Whole Foods. Janice, the lady that does the PEMF, she's actually been out for a few days and won't be back today, but the other lady has basic training on what to do with that equipment and can hook me up. It must be time to go for a walk. I am leaving my new shoes on. They seem okay. I love this hill. I love this hill. I love this hill.
I think she's lying. But we won't call her on it.
No, don't call me out on it. I'm ready to go back to the car by about the time we get to the top over here, though. I've had enough and we hadn't even got started good yet. That is the worst incline of the walk.
Yeah, I would say that. And although that one getting right there going to the car by that.
Oh yeah, God, I forgot about that hill. But I'm all warmed up when we get to that one.
This one you're still kind of like.
And also there's the motivation of the car and the air conditioning are right there waiting on you, baby.
It's not the same as having ice cream waiting, but it's close.
Well, we'll be going from here and the caterpillars rubbing their legs on the trail. Boy, they're loud this morning. Dawn says that means it's going to be a scorcher. Up here to the park where I can hear the lawnmowers.
Already.
I just don't want to be near lawnmowers today.
Yeah. There's my girl with her neat new little shoes. Those shoes are really nice. I can tell her foot is much, ankle isn't leaning in anymore. She's walking pretty much flat-footed at this point, which is, well, at least no side to side on her ankle, which I think looks way more comfortable. It looked like it was very painful to watch her in those other shoes, so she did good.
Yeah, besides them wearing out the Skechers on the inside super fast, They were forcing my ankles to be like this.
Yeah.
Even when I was making an effort to stand straight. And I've got a lot of problems, but that's not one of my problems. So I'm relieved to have the new shoes. My foot feels like it's right. It looks correct in the shoe and feels like it's correct in the shoe. And I was thinking maybe some of my back problems are because those other sneakers were making my leg hit the ground, my foot hit the ground wrong. So we'll see.
Yep, I agree. Progress.
This blue vehicle here is a Mach-E paper tag. Well, there's a major internet outage because not only has the car lost connectivity, but my phone has lost connectivity too. I'm here though, just in time. All right, I'm perfectly pulsed for another week. They were running a few minutes behind, so it's already going on noon. I am still gonna go to Guardian Angel Apex. I just may walk through a little faster than normal, or if I don't make it to Whole Foods today, that's not the end of the world either. I need grated Parmesan cheese is high on the list, and Vidalia onions, and both of those two things I could get at Harris Teeter if I need to. Yeah, I've got 2.5 hours before I have to be downtown, and it's a 10-minute drive to Whole Foods, and it's a 20-minute drive from Whole Foods down to the school. Well, actually up to the school, so I do have a decent bit of time. I see the geese crossing the road up here, and I also see the Model Y at the Hertz place. Right offhand this second, I don't see any other. There is a Bolt TV there that I'm guessing is a privately owned vehicle. Let's see if it has the Hertz thing on the glass or not. But these are not Hertz spots, no, privately owned. But there is another Y and a 3. Those are both rentals. If it's got an out-of-state plate, I've seen the color before. It has the box under the rear view mirror. It's, you know, it's a rental. There's several giveaways there. I'd say those are the only 3 today. There was no new jewelry, so I skipped back here pretty quick to make sure I'm not missing out on any Legos. And the internet is still down, so I don't even know if I can contact Michelle about anything if I want to. I still have no internet, and I went into airplane mode and back out, and it doesn't help. I'm gonna get that for Michelle. Oh wow, they've marked that dresser down 20 bucks. That's pretty funny, and I love it here at Guardian Angel. I still need to replace that piece of French white that I broke at the house. This is French white, but I need rectangular piece, the one that fits in our toaster. I haven't seen it yet. I wonder if there's always one parked up here for advertisement purposes, because there's often one up there. Yeah, nobody else in there had cell service either, so I know for sure it's not just me. This is the second Tuesday in a month, although today's outage seems to be more solid. Last time the car wasn't affected. Yeah, I had to walk over to Food Lion and get some cash. All toys are cash only. It has to do with not being held legally responsible for recalls and knowing what is and isn't safe when it comes to toys. So if you, yeah, there's a big helicopter up there, of course, when I'm trying to talk. There's a law that basically says that, implies that thrift stores can be held accountable for not honoring recalls. How would you know on used stuff? So to get around that with toys, they let you make a donation and take the toy. Basically, they give you the toy, but you make a suggested donation, and it's, you know, it has to be cash. So I bought 1 or 2 small cash items, and I needed to go to Food Lion to get money. They changed their policy over there, though. Instead of getting maximum of 100 out, you can now only get a maximum of 50 out. I wonder why they had to do that. Probably because all these Guardian Angel people were going over there and getting money all the time. But I did buy several pounds, I think like 4 pounds of Vidalia onions. So I did buy something over there. First world problems, I know, but when I think about things that could happen in my life that would be bad, probably losing access to fresh water and an air conditioner would be right up there with the internet or just a total power EMP type power failure or something. I worry about that now more than I worry about hurricanes. And that should say something, because I've been through 2 really bad hurricanes that caused me to be without power both times for a week in my lifetime. So yeah, I don't know what's going on, obviously. I can't look on the internet to go Google it to see what might be happening. Every once in a while I get something comes through on my watch and then it immediately dies again. I've got 35 minutes. That's plenty of time. An ID4 followed me in here. Dark red color, darker than ruby. Here's a Y. They were really hot to trot to get where they were going, totally impatient. I don't know what was going on. I see I think an S up here too. It was a blue S on the way in, but it's left now. And there's a blue X and the titanium brownish S color. It's got dealer tags on it. I bet it's a loaner. I'll drive it for a day, no problem. Oh wow, and there's a new white S. I'm gonna be about 15 minutes early. I'll just end up hanging out over at St. Monica's for a few minutes. It looks like cell service is restored, although still not as many bars as normal. I got it built there in the front. I did not put a person inside of it. I might do that. But anyway, this is built and it's on and it's done. The only thing I'm missing on the outside is I have to have enough of these spears to go all the way around and some on top. I really think, and then I need to fix the couple of light blue over here and make them dark blue. But other than that, it's pretty done. It's Taekwondo time again. I was really working to get the building done right before we walked out of the door. Probably should have moved it up to the table to show it off a little bit better, but I didn't have time. I was out of time. I am headed to Walmart. I didn't go last week. And there's 1 or 2 things I could use to pick up, so I am going tonight. Alright, let's see what kind of clearance they got. I'm not seeing anything I can't live without. I have a hardy hibiscus I'd like to get, but it's still $15 and it's not in great shape. I'd pay $5 for it. Well, Walmart is just starting to set Halloween. They're just getting started. And we barely even need jackets here. Yeah, so the kids are here playing, changing tires, swapping tires on their big trucks tonight. Yeah, that's what they're doing.